Task for Speak Assignment. Estudiante Jacqueline Flores del grupo 72, el tutor Johnny Xavier Galeano de la Universidad Nacional Abierta y a Distancia. Esta es la materia de inglés B2 y hoy vamos a presentar temas sobre el medio ambiente.
The future of our planet. Through the years, especially since the industrial era, technology has had a strong impact on the environment due to many factors, which have been implemented for the transformation and living conditions of the human being. And over the years, it has generated an imbalance on the ecosystem. From my point of view, I consider that at present, the negative environmental impact on the ecosystem is much greater than the positive environmental impact, so there's not balance and it continues in this way. The environmental situation of the planet will be disastrous and irreversible in the near future. Human activities produce a negative environmental impact: water pollution, air pollution, deforestation of forests. Environmental pollution has occurred thanks to our ambition for life change, population growth, technological inventions which have generated a change in our atmosphere. I believe that we must begin to become aware and promote strategies to protect the environment. Some of them are moderate use energy, saving water, recycling, among many others. I consider that the government should implement public policies for the conservation of the environment, that schools implement the culture of recycling, that projects be carried out to mitigate environmental deterioration.